Good morning, warriors. I'm Mrs. Hughes, and I'm joining you all today because today's a big day at West. It's Planner Day. I know you may not be as excited about that as me, but hopefully after we spend some time together here, you'll see how helpful your new planner and homework folder will be this year. Today, you'll be receiving a planner and a yellow homework folder to take with you to all of your classes. These two items, when used regularly, will help you stay organized and be a more successful student. First, let's take a look at the planner. You'll want to start by putting your first and last name on it somewhere, preferably on the front or back cover with a Sharpie. Before we get to the most important pages, I want to point out the resource pages in the back of the planner. Take some time to check out all of the helpful resources like the multiplication chart, periodic table, writing and grammar reminders. There's an entire page for measurements and conversions, and the back cover even becomes a ruler. Now for the good stuff. The monthly layout is a great organizing tool for long-term projects that may take you a few weeks to complete. But the part of the planner that will help you the most are the daily pages. The subjects are labeled for you along the left side, so be sure to pay attention to those and record your assignments in the correct areas. Each day during wrap-up time, your teachers will review the day's work and let you know what the homework is. When recording homework, you want to make sure that it fits in the subject box, but also include enough detail that you'll know what you're doing when you get home. Take a look at these examples. You'll see that I shortened words like chapter, page, number, and question, but there's still enough information for me to use when I get home. At the bottom of each page, there's a section for you to keep track of which materials you'll need for homework that night. This makes it really easy to pack your bag at the end of the day when the halls are busy and you're trying to get out the door. Sometimes your teacher will announce that something you worked on in class is homework if you didn't finish it yet. It's important to still write these assignments down, even if you already finished them. After you've done that, you can use the checkbox column to mark it as completed or just cross it off like the bottom two examples. When you finish assignments at home, it's a good idea to get in the habit of marking them off in your planner. Plus, it always feels good to check off items from a list. And now for the most fun part of filling out your planner, the days when you have no homework. When your teacher announces that there's no homework, after doing a little silent cheer in your head, be sure to record the good news in your planner. You can use any symbol or phrase you like, but the key is that the planner boxes are never blank. You can use a slash, the fastest and easiest way in my opinion, but you can also write none, no homework, or draw a symbol of your choice. Whatever it is, just stick with the same thing, and again, no blank boxes. Finally, let's talk about the yellow homework folder. These lovely folders have already been labeled for you. Thank you, Mrs. Lance. You will carry this folder to each of your classes every single day along with your planner. As you get homework during the day, you'll put it in the incomplete or homework side. At home, when you've finished your work, you'll move it to the complete or turn-in side of the folder. Throughout the next school day, you'll turn in work from the complete side and add new assignments to the incomplete side. As teachers hand graded papers back to you, it's important that they go into your subject area folders, not the homework folder. This folder should not become a jam-packed storage place for multiple subjects. This folder only contains work to be completed and work to be turned in. This may seem like a lot to manage right now, but don't stress. Your teachers will help you. Each day during wrap-up time, your teachers will walk you through how to use both your planner and your homework folder. With practice, it'll become a habit before you know it.